Hi. I'm making a side dish to go with dinner today. It's a quick and easy baked zucchini. I've got like 4 small zucchini. I washed them, cut the ends off, cut them in half, cut each one of those into 4 pieces, put them on my baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on there, salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper. I think it tastes better. What about you? And then the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Where we are doing the keto, I don't use breadcrumbs. I have ground up pork rinds. Some people call it dirty keto because it has a little more carbs and not quite as clean of ingredients. Doesn't matter to me right now. It's working and it tastes great. It called for 2 tablespoons. I put a little bit more. I like it a little crunchier. It calls for 2 tablespoons of cheese. Just a nice liberal shape there. And I'm going to put them in the oven and I'll bake them about 12 to 15 minutes on 450. So I'll show you what they look like when they come out. There is our zucchini that's got the salt, pepper, olive oil, pork rinds, and parmesan on there. Man, that looks good. You need to try that one. It's really good. Like, subscribe, and share. Have a good one.